This check valve, it's just simply a matter of taking these collars off on both sides, and then we're going to loosen that up a little bit, which it should, oh, here we go, comes right off of there. Hopefully it's not going to be too tough to get out of there. As you can see, this is not too pretty. The close-up on it, you can see the rust, and it's just not. We tried cleaning it up and putting some air through it, but it just wasn't happening. And so the new one obviously is quite a bit prettier. And it looks like we have a larger size on this one as well. So we're going to need to figure out how to get that collar out of there in order to make this work, because we have a different size. And so go ahead and look at that, the different collar size. And so we're going to go ahead and figure out how best to do that, and we're going to turn this off, and once we do, we'll let you know on the next video.